Welcome to the best picks. The best 12-ton press is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can have in your workshop or garage, capable of handling a wide range of tasks from metalworking and woodworking to plastic molding and more. In this video, we will deep dive into the top 12-ton press on the market and help you choose the best one for your needs and budget. Number 5. VEVOR 12-ton H-frame shop press. It boasts a 12-ton capacity, perfect for professionals and DIYers alike. It easily handles jobs like removing bushings, bearings, and more, making tough tasks quick and easy. This hydraulic jack includes a built-in relief valve for safety. It automatically releases pressure at 12 tons, protecting both you and your workbench from damage. Its sturdy H-frame and 0.2-inch carbon steel body ensure stability. The powder-coated finish is corrosion-resistant and easy to clean. The unique triangular base design provides superior stability compared to traditional presses. This ensures a wobble-free experience, even under heavy loads. It features an adjustable height ranging from 1.6 to 27.8 inches for comfortable use. 2 movable plates are included for securely holding small parts during operation. What we like. It boasts a robust build that can handle heavy-duty tasks. Its height adjustability ensures comfortable and efficient operation for various projects. If you need a reliable and versatile press for frequent use, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked good to press some wool bearing on side by side. But crossbar was not as strong as needed but worked. The press arrived in 2 nested boxes, a box and a box, but all pieces were present. Assembly was simple. I used a rafter square to ensure the feet were perpendicular to the risers and assembly took about 10 minutes. Number 4. Strongway 12-ton hydraulic press. This heavy-duty press is built to last. Its robust construction ensures years of reliable performance in your shop. It features a high-grade steel H-frame, built to exacting standards for superior quality and durability. You can depend on it for demanding tasks. The lead-free paint finish is applied after a thorough cleaning process. This ensures a long-lasting, rust-resistant finish. The paint is resistant to oil, grease, and dirt, making cleanup quick and easy. Keeping it looking its best is simple. It boasts a high-quality, large-diameter hydraulic cylinder. This reduces the oil pressure needed, extending its service life. The piston ram is specially treated and polished to resist wear and tear, ensuring long-term performance. It's built to withstand heavy use. What we like. This press is built to last with high-grade steel and a protective paint finish. Its easy-to-clean surface saves you time and effort. If you prioritize durability and low maintenance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It made wheel bearing and hub replacement so much smoother. Easy to assemble. I used it for pressing my bearing in on axle carrier and pinion and transmission bush irons. I haven't had any dislikes about its work for what it is designed for. Ordered the afternoon of the 16th, delivered by noon on the 19th, box was intact and all pieces were within. Put it together in about 15 minutes and pressed out a ball joint in 30 seconds. Number 3. W41062 12-ton hydraulic shop press. It features 7 adjustable height locations. This allows you to easily position your workpiece for precision pressing, no matter the size or shape. With a 12-ton capacity, it handles even the toughest jobs with ease. It's a must-have for any serious workshop. The remote pressure cylinder with relief valve gives you greater control and safety. This feature ensures precision and minimizes risk. The large, liquid-filled gauge provides accurate pressure readings. You'll always know exactly how much pressure you're applying. Standing at 65 inches tall and weighing 152 pounds, it's built to last. Its rugged design ensures it can withstand even the most demanding tasks. It is ideal for a wide variety of heavy-duty pressing applications. Its robust design and powerful hydraulics make it perfect for professional and demanding use. What we like. It offers precise control and accurate pressure readings for delicate tasks. The remote cylinder adds safety and convenience. If you value precision and safety features, this press is perfect for you. What people say. As you can see from the pictures, the ram has very long travel and it's very square to the base. Very sturdy and heave press plates. Worked excellent when pressing out my rear axle bearing on my 4Runner. Heavy duty parts. Number 2. Swag Off-Road 12-ton Press Brake Kit. Build your own heavy-duty press brake with our DIY kit. It's made in the USA from high-quality steel, ensuring years of reliable performance. This kit arrives unassembled, allowing you to customize and build it yourself. You'll need basic welding and fabrication skills for final assembly. It features adjustable back and side stops for precise and repeatable bends every time. Achieve consistent results on your projects. It boasts a robust 1/4-inch thick steel bottom die, providing the strength needed for demanding tasks. This ensures durability and longevity. You'll need some basic tools to complete the assembly, including a welder, grinder, level, and a small square. Gather your tools and let's get started. This kit is proudly made in the USA, supporting American manufacturing and quality. You can trust in its construction and performance. What we like. This kit lets you build your own press, offering a unique and customizable experience. The adjustable stops ensure accurate and repeatable bends. If you enjoy DIY projects and want a highly customizable press, this is ideal. What people say. Need to have a good welder to do this, but finished product works weak. It was shipped promptly, love the product. Number 1. 12-ton hydraulic shop press. It features an adjustable working table with 8 holes on each side, allowing you to easily customize the height for your projects. This ensures it can adapt to various tasks and workpieces. This press boasts a heavy-duty bottle jack with a 12-ton capacity. It's designed to effortlessly handle straightening and bending metal, making tough jobs easier. Operating it is simple. Just press or lift the long handle to apply the necessary force. Remember to secure all parts before use and adjust the pressure with the knob. It's crafted from steel with a power coating for excellent durability and longevity. Thickened springs ensure a robust pulling force and fast oil return for efficient operation. It's perfect for various metalworking tasks like bending, straightening, and stamping. It's an indispensable tool for auto repair, garages, and small repair businesses. What we like. Its adjustable table height and simple operation make it user-friendly for various tasks. The powerful capacity handles a wide range of metalworking jobs. If you need a simple yet powerful press for diverse applications, this is a great option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.